Emotion. It's what we feel. And as a writer, it is our plaything to an extent. We, as you write, there must be emotion in it, but you also are working to trigger emotion in the reader. Um, for most fantasy, there has to be some sort of stake, which is invokes emotion. There has to be pain, there has to be a certain amount of fussy, and there has to be hardship because overcoming that creates the emotion that readers enjoy. And we as readers want to feel like the things on the page are real. And that emotional layer is what helps with that. So when you're writing, remember, emotion is your friend, but it is also your enemy.